Hello, good morning to you all dear students. Welcome to another session of financial accounting. Today we are going to solve example number 8 of our textbook, page number 31, that is PQ and R Limited. So let us read the example first and then we'll move towards the solution. PQ and R are the partners sharing profits and losses equally. The balance sheet of the firm is as under. Certain new items given in the balance sheet, capitals account, then instead of general reserve it is given P&L account, so that would be treated exactly like the general reserve. Workers compensation fund, that is also your reserve, okay, but workers profit sharing fund is the liability. Workmen's compensation fund એટલે કે ક્યારે બી એવું બને છે કે during the working hours if the workers are getting injured then the compensation is paid from the same fund. So certain amount is kept aside for the compensation to the workers. So this is the workmen's compensation fund. And workmen's profit sharing fund means in the company's profit the workers are sharing certain amount of profit, or the employers are giving certain amount of profit to the workers, so that is employees profit sharing fund. So that is the liability for the business, and workmen's compensation fund is the reserve. Creditors, bills payable, outstanding expense, and investment fluctuation fund. Investment fluctuation fund is also called a reserve, rather provision, which is made just to meet the fluctuations in the investment just because of the market rates, right? So any of the fluctuations, any of the decrease in the investments can be met by using this fund. So investment fluctuation fund, whenever the investment fluctuation fund is given, that has to be deducted either from investment or it is treated as the provision or reserve. On the asset side we have goodwill, land and building, machinery, furniture, investment stock, debtors after deducting bad debts, bad debt reserve and reserve for discount, bills receivables, bank and advertisement suspense account. So here instead of cash balance the bank balance is given, so the treatment will be equal for both. PQR Company Limited purchased all the real assets except bank and all the liabilities except bills payable. The company's name is PQR Limited, PQR Company Limited. So it is purchasing all the assets except bank and all the liabilities except bills payable. So goodwill is also considered a real asset, so that is also going to be purchased at the same price, 85,000. Other information is given to pay 10% more for land and building and 25% more for furniture. 92,000 is to be paid for stock, and the other real assets are to be taken over at their book value. Are accepted to pay bills payable. જે bills payable નથી લઈ જતી કંપની એ R pay કરી દેશે, R partner pay કરી દેશે. The company agreed to pay 4,500 equity shares of ₹100 each at 10% discount, 750 12% debentures of ₹100 and the balance in cash. The partner share shares and debentures in profit sharing ratio. So જે રેશિયોમાં શેર થાય છે shares and debentures એ આપી દીધું છે. So from the above information, prepare the realization account, partners capital account and bank account, and also journalize the transactions regarding purchase consideration and receiving the amount for it. તો પૂછેલું છે તમને ખાલી 3 લેજર અને PC ડ્યુ અને PC રિસીવ્ડની એન્ટ્રી પૂછેલી છે, રાઈટ? પણ આપણે બધી જ એન્ટ્રીઝ કરીએ છીએ આ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં. So starting with the working note first, that is related with the net asset. તો પહેલા જે અસેટની ન્યૂ વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે એ લઈ લઈએ, બાકીની બધી અસેટ જશે બુક વેલ્યુ પર. So here land and building, it is 10% more, so 180 plus 10% of the same, that is 1,98,000. Furniture 25% more, so that is 50,000. Stock 92,000. Goodwill at the same price, 85,000. Machinery at its book value 198. Investment will be taken as after deducting investment fluctuation fund, so original value of investment is 80,000. Debtors 80,000 and bills receivable 24,000. you have got two methods of writing investment. Either you can deduct investment fluctuation from here itself, or you can write down investment over here as 1 lakh and you can write down investment fluctuation fund as liability. So ultimately your net asset will be the same. Fine, but we are using this method because if you are writing 1 lakh over here and if you will forget writing down here investment fluctuation fund, your answer will not be correct. So after all the assets, the total of asset is 8,07,000 less total liabilities. So that is workers profit sharing fund, creditors and outstanding expense. Only these three will be included because bills payable are not accepted by the company. It is paid by the partner R. So there are only three liabilities. So finally the amount of net asset is 5,97,000. Now the calculation of purchase consideration, equity share at 10% discount. So 4,500 equity shares at ₹90 each, because face value is 100 after deducting 10% discount. So equity shares will be 4,05,000. 12% debentures, so 750 number of debentures into ₹100, so that is 75. Totaling both we get 4,80,000. Our net asset will be equal to the purchase consideration. So from 5,97,000 we are receiving 4,80,000 in total as equity and debentures. So balancing amount 1,70,000 will be received in cash or through bank. So cash and bank, both of them will be treated equally for all the cases, right? So this is the working note related with the net asset and purchase consideration. The purchase consideration is received in three forms: equity share with discount, debentures and cash. So now let us move further with the journal entries. The very first journal entry will be related with the reserves. So we are having two reserves over here, P&L account and workers compensation fund. So entry P&L account debit to PQR and workers compensation fund account debit to PQR. Partners are sharing profits and losses equally. So this 45,000 will be divided equally between the partners, that is 15,000, 15,000 and 15,000. So first two entries justify the distribution of your reserve among the partners. Then the third entry, closing all the assets including goodwill, investment, advertisement, suspense account, all the assets except cash. પૂરી અસેટ સાઇડ લઈ લેવાની, કેશ અને બેંક સિવાયની બધી જ અસેટ જશે બુક વેલ્યુથી. સો realization account debit to all the assets account. Likewise, all the liabilities are going to be closed including investment fluctuation fund. So workers profit sharing fund account, creditors, bills payable, outstanding expense and investment fluctuation fund account debit 20,000. You also can write down over here as 1 lakh minus 20,000. So you can either write down 80,000 over here directly or 1 lakh here and 20,000 at liability side. So we have passed total 4 entries, 2 entries for distributing P&L account and workers compensation account among the partners. Third entry was related with the closing all the assets and transferred to the realization account, and the fourth entry justify transferring the liabilities to realization account by closing the same, right? So after that the sequence of the adjustment has to be taken into consideration. So adjustment number 4, are accepted to pay bills payable. So whenever any partner accept to pay the liability, the entry will be realization account debit to R's capital account 20,000 20,000. આ એન્ટ્રી યાદ કેમ રખાય એની એક ટેકનિક આપી દઉં. જો કોઈ લાયબિલિટી પે થાય so entry થશે realization account debit to cash account as cash goes out, right? But here instead of cash payment, the partner is taking the responsibility to pay this liability. So instead of cash account, partner's capital account will be credited. So entry will be realization account debit to R's capital 20,000. Then PC due, PC received and PC distribution. So PC due entry, a PQR company limited account debit to realization account 5,97,000. See girls, I have not written the narration. Being mein nathi lakhelu, it is compulsory for you to write. Fine. Then after the receipt of PC, the PC is going to be distributed among the partners as per profit sharing ratio which is specified in the example. So shares account debit, debentures account debit, cash account, over here PC due and PC received. This entry will be regarding PC received. So shares account debit 4,05,000, that is from your working note of purchase consideration. Equity share account 4,05,000, debenture 75, cash or bank 1,17,000 to PQR company limited, right? So cash account or bank account, you can write down anything over here. So this entry was related with PC due. This entry is related with the purchase consideration received. Now the distribution of purchase consideration distribute करो ત્યારે cash distribute નથી કરવાના, બાકી બધી વસ્તુઓ distribute કરી દેવાની. shares હોય તો shares, debentures હોય તો debentures. So firstly we will distribute the share. See, shares receive થયા તો debit આવ્યું, તો shares distribute થાય તો shares account થઈ જાય credit. Debit the receiver. Who are the receivers? The partners. So partners capital account debit to shares. These shares are distributed as per their profit sharing ratio, that is in equal proportion. So entry will be P's capital account debit 1,35,000, Q's capital account debit 1,35,000, R's capital account debit 1,35,000 to shares account. The same way the debentures are to be distributed between the partners. PQR to debentures 25,000 to each partner and debenture account 75,000. Okay, now all the adjustments are done. So now closing of realization account, realization credit minus debit. So that is a profit of rupees 15,000. So entry realization account debit to P's capital account, to Q's capital account, to R's capital account. Okay, then closing the partners capital account, partners credit minus partners debit. So the amount is 55, 35 and 45 to cash account or bank account. And finally you need to check whether bank account debit is equal to bank account credit amount or not. And here it is equal both the sides. So this example is correct. So these all are the journal entries of this example. Now we are posting the same entries to the ledgers called realization account, then partners capital account, bank account or cash account, and PQR company limited account. So before starting with the posting, let us write down the balances to partners capital account and to bank account. So partners capital is 1,80,000, 1,60,000 and 1,50,000, and bank balance is, which is given in the balance sheet, rupees 18,000. Right? Now you have got two techniques. Either just watch out your journal entries and start posting the same accordingly, or just memorize your journal entries into your mind and keep posting. The very first step or the very first entry is distributing profit and loss account and workers compensation fund account. So entry is P&L, workmen's compensation to partners. So under partners capital account, it is like by P&L account and by workers compensation fund account. I am writing in short form. You are advisable to write down properly. So 15,000 for both and 15,000 of each partner. Okay, distribution of your reserves. After the same, closing your assets and liabilities. So transferring all those items to realization account, your third journal entries. So to asset account, you can write down and make it underline. Starting with goodwill 85,000, land and building. જે બેલેન્સ શીટમાં આપેલું છે અસેટ સાઇડ બધી એ જ અમાઉન્ટ લઈ લેવાની. કેશ અને બેંક સિવાયની બધી આઇટમ્સ બુક વેલ્યુથી. whether it is taken over by the company or not, because this entry is for closing the assets account. Investment 1 lakh, stock 96,000, debtors after deducting all 80,000, bills receivables 24,000. Bank is not going to be taken because we have prepared the separate bank account, and advertisement suspense account 9,000. So this is the closing up of your assets. Now closing the liability accounts. So by liability, starting with workers profit sharing fund 45,000, then creditors 1,20,000, bills payable 20,000. પાર્ટનર લઈ જાય છે બિલ્સ પેયેબલ, છતાં બી એ ક્લોઝ તો થશે જ, રાઈટ? સો અહીંયા લખી તો નાખવાનું જ. આઉટસ્ટેન્ડિંગ એક્સપેન્સ 10,000 and investment fluctuation fund 20,000, right? So this is the closing up of your assets and liabilities. Now the entry regarding R paid the bills payable, or R is accepting to pay the bills payable. So realization account debit to R's capital account, that is bills payable accepted to be paid by R. Reason લખેલું છે, ન લખો તો બી ચાલે. So bills payable is of rupees 20,000. So realization account માં 2 R's capital આવ્યું, તો R's capital માં લખવાનું by realization account, ડેશ કરીને reason લખી શકો છો. ખાલી R ની કોલમ માં લખવાના 20,000. ઓકે, P અને Q ની કોલમ માં નહીં લખવાના, ખાલી R ની કોલમ માં લખવાનું. After this entries જોઈ લ્યો. PC due, PC received and PC distributed. So PQR to realization. So PQR company limited account debit to realization account, that is PC due, amount is 5,97,000. Second entry of the same, realization account credit side by PQR limited account, company limited account, that is PC due 5,97,000. Now PC received, share account debit, debentures account debit, bank account debit to PQR company limited account, PC due. બેંક અકાઉન્ટમાં ખાલી અમાઉન્ટ જેટલી રિસીવ થાય છે એટલી જ લખવાની. શેર્સ અને ડિબેન્ચર્સની એના લેજરમાં જશે, અને બધાની સેકન્ડ ઇફેક્ટ જશે PQR લિમિટેડમાં ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ બાય શેર્સ અકાઉન્ટ, બાય ડિબેન્ચર્સ અકાઉન્ટ એન્ડ બાય બેંક અકાઉન્ટ. 4,05,000, 75,000 and 1,17,000. Okay, so this is the entry posting for PC received. Now this purchase consideration is going to be distributed between partners. Share and debentures બંને distribute થશે. So PQR માં લખીએ 2 shares account 1,35,000 to each partner, and 2 debentures account, that is 25,000 to each partner. બંને વસ્તુઓ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ થાય છે પાર્ટનર્સ વચ્ચે એના પ્રોફિટ શેરિંગ રેશિયોમાં, અને પ્રોફિટ શેરિંગ રેશિયો છે એ ઇક્વલ છે. સો એન્ટ્રી વિલ બી PQR account debit to shares and PQR limited PQR partners account debit to debentures. So shares and debentures are distributed. Now it is the time to close the realization account, because now each and every entries are just posted. So total of credit 597 plus 45 plus 120 plus 50. So that is 693,200. How come? Just a second. Let me check it once again. 45,000 plus 1,20,000. So the total is 8,12,000. So I am writing here 8,12,000. So minus total of debit. So just a second. $597 minus all this, so 85 plus 180 plus 198 832. Just a second. That's an error, I suppose. Creditors 120, 20, outstanding expense 10. Workers profit sharing fund is of 80,000. It's not 45,000, it's 80,000. So total is 8,12,000 minus 45,000 plus 80,000. So total is 847. $8,47,000 is the total minus 8,12,000 minus 20,000. So the profit is 15,000. So entry will be realization account debit to partners capital account, that is profit 15,000. So now this 15,000 can be distributed among the partners equally. So this represents your second last entry. This one realization to partners capital. तो चलो पोस्ट करिए पार्टनर्स कैपिटल में क्रेडिट साइड बाय रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट, दैट इज प्रॉफिट 5,000 to each partners. Alright, now it's time to close partners capital account. So P's capital account close करिए 1,80,000 plus 30,000, 15 plus 15 સાથે લઈ લઉં છું, plus 5,000. So that is 2,15,000 is the total, minus 1,35,000 minus 25,000. So that is 55,000. Likewise, if I am talking about partner Q, 1,60,000 plus 30 plus 5. So 1,95,000 minus 1,35,000 minus 25,000. So that is 35,000. And for R, 1,50,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,000, so it's 2,05,000 minus 1,35,000 minus 25,000, so it's 45,000, right? So that is the balancing figure to be adjusted by paying them cash or amount from bank account. So this is the balancing figure 45, 35 and 55. So that is to be posted at bank account, by P's capital account, by Q's capital account, by R's capital account. 55, 35 and 45. So finally let us tally the same. On the credit side we have the total 1,35,000 and on debit side it is 117 plus 18, so that is also 135. So our debit equals to credit. It means our this correction our this calculation is completely correct. Okay, realization close કરીને પાર્ટનર્સ કેપિટલમાં જશે, પાર્ટનર્સ કેપિટલની બેલેન્સિંગ ફિગર બેંક અકાઉન્ટમાં જશે અને ફાઇનલી બંને સાઇડ ઇક્વલ આવી જવું જોઈએ. So that is the complete example of our textbook, page number 31, example number 8. So starting with the first page, that is working notes, then journal entries. You can pause the video and write down the same in your notebook. Entries, page number 2. Ledger, that is realization account. And partners capital account, bank account and PQR limited account. Okay, so in the next session we are going to solve another example like this. Thank you all.